So, welcome to Prague, Charles Bridge, patron saint of fathers who have to carry their bloody children who are too tired and they have a big stick. Welcome.
So we are coming along to the bridge, the famous Charles Bridge. Waiting to collect Anne somewhere here. She said she's about 100 metres onto the bridge.
And like the truth is out there.
Yes. And lots of people here now. Still, not as crowded as it could be. Could be absolutely packed. And it is lunchtime. We've got to be getting close. There she is.
Here's the walk on the other side.
Some weirdo just waved. I think you'd need to stay here for a few weeks to see everything. I just want to say to you, Anne, that you missed a whole shop with 50% off, Anne.
As if it was 50% off. Really, truly.
Now, come on.
They put the price up by 200% and then say it's 50% off.
Come on.
I am heading for Christmas.
Do you mean you don't trust the prices? Honestly.
Should we get a selfie? Oh, we've got a
Skull.
skull there, but we've also got a dude going. Alright.
So you can see these ones have been restored because you can see the colour of them.
I'd say.
Yeah, probably no. I don't think any of them are.
No. The real ones are in the museum. So here we are with one of the statues on the Charles Bridge. Up here we have the patron saint of the fathers who have to carry their bloody whinging children who just refuse to walk any further. So you can see this poor bastard here has got a child on his shoulder. Well, serves himself right for having children, I say. But he's also got a stick to support himself because... So, welcome to Prague, Charles Bridge, patron saint of fathers who have to carry their bloody children who are too tired and they have a big stick. You're welcome. Behind me here we have yet another one. He's the patron saint of those who've lost their f***ing way. So he points where you've got to go. He's going, you stupid so-and-so, you've got to go in that direction. Can't you follow your Google Maps? In all honesty, I can't either. So, yeah, I'm with the rest of the public on that one. The hole? Oh, that's where the Easter egg was put in. The Catholic sign of rebirth and nothing to do with paganism at all, or bunnies. So they've stolen the Easter egg out of there, and yeah, that's just what you do here.
So we're about halfway over the bridge, the famous Charles Bridge, and here we have the patron saint of this is my gold and get your rotten stinking hands off it. So you see all of these people here, they're going to hell because they are trying to get to that gold, and the patron saint here, patron saint Stephen, because they're all called Stephen, is guarding it and saying no. This guy, who actually looks like a little bit like, what's the guy from the Avengers? It starts with L. The Loki. Yes, that's Loki in older years. Loki in older years has got the gold, and he's not giving it to anyone. End of story. It's patron saint of the stinky nappy.
Okay, patron saint of stinky nappy.
Well, we're coming up to a beautiful Mother Mary. Let's go with that.
Yeah.
And she's got a child there that is obviously just on a big rotten poo from the Czech food.
And she's actually used Renata's shirt to wipe their bums.
Oh, okay, yeah. What are you saying? So she is now the patron saint of the stinky nappy. Going, that's enough. I've had enough. I can't deal with this smell. I just can't.
Can't even keep the camera straight at the moment.
Cannot even deal with this smell anymore. Take the baby. Just take the silly baby and change its nappy.
And as you can see, we have the bowling ball of poo up there, up in the baby's arms, because we all know that when you travel a lot overseas and you're sitting in buses and on planes, you end up with a bowling ball poo up your butt and won't come out. Just thought I'd share. You're welcome. Here we have the typical traveller who has had enough. They don't want to do another tour. They don't want to do another bus trip. They are lying down saying, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going to another cathedral. I'm not going to another museum. I'm not going to another castle. I am done. I'm going to lay down here and refuse to move.
His friends are going, oh, come on. We've got one more castle to go. We've got the big Prague castle. Come on, you can do it. You can do this. And he's gone, no, I cannot. Don't make me. Look, and the one right at the top, look, she's given up. Well, he's given up going, I'm done. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. Look.
One is having a tantrum. Well, that's what happens to you. This is what your friends do to you when you don't actually go on the tour with them. They crucify you. They talk about you behind your back. They say horrible things, and then people gang up on you, and that's it. You're done.
That's it.
Right, let's
Shocking.
go. Very important thing, which was just up here. I don't know if we can actually see it, but I'll zoom in. There's some little spots on this statue back up there where you're supposed to rub the spot for good luck.
Or lick it or something.
Yeah, in actual fact, what happens there is that you pick up E. coli. Thank you for putting your phone right in front of the camera there, Renata. That was very kind of you. You're welcome. Talk about getting her shot and not worrying about anyone else. Yeah, so that's where you're guaranteed to get some sort of communicable disease, because every doesn't wash their hands will be rubbing that spot. Did you rub it?
No, I didn't rub it. But here is
Hang on, let me...
Here's the album cover to Madonna's newest album.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't you like it? It's really good. It's profound.
Yeah.
You can look at it and see many, many things.
We've got a pile of donuts there on the small pile.
They're bagels. No, it's Tradinic. It's the donut thing.
That's where I got the idea that was the traditional dish.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So,
And he's got the recipe there on the right-hand side.
and she's saying, I'm not going to follow the recipe. I'm going to do what my mother's always told me. And I know it doesn't work anymore, but, it's what my mother told me. It's the recipe, says the engineer.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. And that new album will be coming out soon. It'll be coming out for Christmas, and it's going to be called Madonna in the Czech Republic.
That's such an original...
Well, I couldn't think of anything else at this particular stage. Madonna and Tradinic. Wipe your face.
Madonna of Prague.
Wipe your face with Tradinic. I know.
Yeah. That's enough. We come back and get back out of here.